Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about CV axles or constant velocity axles, which we often use in front wheel drive vehicles and now a lot of times in rear wheel drive vehicles that have independent suspension. You can often get noise from these when they start to fail, but usually the start of failure on these is when you get a boot that splits or falls apart and you lose all the grease inside the joint. The joints are actually a cup joint that are hardened steel with ball bearings inside that actually allow for the flexibility of the joint so the vehicle can turn, etc., when making corners and things like that. When axles start to go bad, we can get noise, everything from a clicking type of noise when accelerating to a popping. The reason you want to keep a good eye on these axles and have them inspected regularly is to prevent this. If you were to catch a joint that was coming apart prior to when a boot fails and loses the grease, you could actually replace the boot and the grease inside of it, making it not that costly of a repair. In doing so, you can save the axle itself. If the axle does fail, we typically replace them in whole units. Remanufactured axles and brand new axles are available these days. It is important to have your vehicle inspected regularly by a qualified technician. In doing so, you'll keep your axles in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.